So for this one, we're going to learn how to make a 4-page document with auto numbering using the master pages. So I'm going to go to File, New Document, and I'm going to make sure I change it to inches. I like to work in inches, and it already by default shows me 4 pages, so I don't need to type number 4. And I'm going to make sure that facing pages is checked in. So I'm going to hit Create. And you will see over here in the Pages panel that I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 is my cover, 4 is my back cover, and my spread are pages 2 and 3. To get my auto numbering started, I'm going to work in A Master up here. These are templates. So I'm going to double click on the left one, and I'm going to start with the text tool and drawing a box, a text box. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number, okay? So it's Insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number. Click that. It will put an A in there. I'm going to go back to the master templates up here, and I'm going to double click on the one on the right, and I'm going to draw a text box over here. Right click, Insert Special Character, Markers, but instead of current page number, I'm going to go to next page number. It will still put an A in there. Okay, now that is it for auto numbering, and I could check by looking at my cover page. I'm going to double click on my cover, and you see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's auto numbering. Now, what if I don't want number 1 to start on the cover, but I want number 1 to start on my page spread instead of number 2? I have to go up here to these 3 lines up here. You see this? I'm going to click that, and I'm going to uncheck Allow Document Pages to Shuffle. I'm going to uncheck it. I'm going to go back up there, but this time I'm going to go to Numbering and Section Options. I'm going to double check that I do have number 2 in my pages highlighted. It should be blue, and it is. So I'm going to go to Start Page Numbering at 1. I want number 1 to start to show here. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click OK again. Now let's go back, and there we go. We got 1, 2, 3. Well, also we'll see 1 here, and that's okay. We're probably going to put a book cover from Photoshop right on top of that anyway, but we can manipulate it. You can override. You go back to here, and you can override the master page template by these 3 little lines here. So I'm going to click that. Go to your selection tool. You now can click that where you couldn't before, and I could hit delete. Now I have no page number there. That was pretty easy. Let me just double check that 1 is still on page 1 of my spread. Page 2 is correct, and page 3 is correct. So that is my 4-page auto numbering file. Okay, good luck.